What we're viewing here is the inside of our diaphragm compressor. This is a head assembly that's taken apart for a diaphragm changeout. But what you notice in the upper head, which is here, are what we call gas grooves. You'll see the inlet and outlet pockets for the gas to flow in and out of the head. And you'll see a variety of O-ring grooves and a collection groove here. Now, there's 3 O-rings generally that go into these head assemblies. You have the oil O-ring, which is located on the lower head, or oil head. That goes here. You have a leak detection O-ring out here, and the process O-ring is right here. There's a series of holes that are threaded that are on the lower head. In this case, there's 4, 3, and 4. And then these 2 holes here are for the leak detection. One hole is plugged up in this case. The other is the primary leak detection port. And how that works is you have the leak detection O-rings holding pressure within the head area. Not much pressure actually, only maybe 15 pounds. These are the diaphragms. You have the upper, middle, and lower diaphragm. Now the upper and lower diaphragm are the same material in most all cases. The middle diaphragm is brass. We use that for lubrication reasons. If you also notice here on the middle diaphragm, there's a slot or a scribe put into the diaphragm itself purposely. There's 4 of them on one side, and you flip it and there's 4 on the other. The intent there is if the upper or lower tend to crack, the gas will go into the middle diaphragm region. It'll go out these slots into then this collection area. Once it's in this collection area, it can't go past this leak detection O-ring, and then it goes out the small hole here out into then the leak detection system, which consists of a gauge, a relief valve, a vent valve, and that's it. And oftentimes a pressure switch to shut you down. So we took the heads apart. We're going to put them back together, and all we're doing is putting the O-rings in place on all the heads, and then we're going to put 2 screws in the bottom, set the set of diaphragms in there, and then resecure them with the top 2 screws. Now these screws just want to be hand tight. You want to make sure they're down, but you just want to hand tighten them. All they're doing is holding the diaphragm in place. That's their intent, not locking them in place. They're holding them in place so you can bring both heads together and clamp it back up again.